Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve 21, 30, 42, 1, 9 and question mark, and we have to find the value of this question mark. So let's start with today's video solution. If you already cracked the logic, comment down below. If you not, so let's find out. So 21 gives you 1. How? Is there any logic? So 2 and 1 gives you 1. How? So if we add it, we can't find it. So if we subtract the digits, so 2 minus 1 is 1. Now 3 minus 0 is 3, but they gives you 9. So what can we do? So if I'll do the square of 1, so this give 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1 and the square of 1 is 1. So yes, it's verified. Now 3 minus 0 is 3 and the square of 3 is 9. So it is also verified. So that means this logic works here. So what we have to do? 4 minus 2 as 2 and 2 square is 4. So what replace this question mark? 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So if you have any other logic, comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.